I used to think feeling behind meant I was failing, but the truth was harder to accept. I wasn't failing. I was progressing, just not in a way anyone could see yet. And that invisible progress, it messes with your head. You wake up early, you try to improve, you avoid obvious mistakes. Yet somehow it still feels like everyone else is moving faster. You watch people pass milestones you haven't reached yet, careers, money, confidence, and quietly a question forms. What am I doing wrong? But here's the part no one tells you. Some phases of growth don't show results immediately. They reshape you first. Comparison doesn't just steal joy, it distorts timing. You compare your private struggle to someone else's public progress, and suddenly your effort feels meaningless. But what you don't see is the cost behind their speed, or the shortcuts that won't last. Progress built slowly looks invisible at first, but it compounds deeper. Most people quit during the in-between phase. Not failing, not winning, just waiting. Waiting for proof, waiting for validation, waiting for something to click. But this phase isn't a delay, it's preparation. It's where discipline replaces excitement, where identity forms before results arrive. Feeling behind doesn't mean you're late, it means your standards are rising. People who are truly stuck don't feel behind, they feel comfortable. Discomfort means awareness. Awareness means growth. That pressure you feel, it's not panic, it's alignment trying to happen. The people who move ahead don't rush. They remove distractions, they narrow focus, they stop explaining themselves, they trade urgency for consistency. And slowly, something shifts, not externally, internally. They stop chasing timelines and start building structure. One day, you realize something quietly changed. You're calmer, more selective, less reactive. You're not ahead yet, but you're no longer behind, because you're moving with intention, and intention outlasts speed. If you feel behind right now, don't rush. This phase isn't punishment, it's refinement. Because the people who last are built slowly, when no one is watching.